Karnataka Assembly session will be kicking off today and there will be no Love Jihad bill that will be introduced this session. Only the cow slaughter bill will be introduced in the Assembly. In the upper house, also what's expected to create some sort of a showdown is a no confidence motion that will be taken up against the chairman. The JDS is likely to even support the BJP if there's voting on this issue. But the big headline that will come out from this particular session of the Karnataka Assembly is that there will be a discussion on the cow slaughter bill. The Love Jihad bill, which has been something that the BJP has spoken of in Karnataka as well, will not come up in this session. Nolan Pinto is joining us with more details on this. So Nolan, a lot of big issues that are going to be taken up in this session of the Karnataka Assembly. Just, break down for us and sum up what really we can expect over the next few days.
Well, good morning, Akshita. In fact, it's going to be a very stormy session indeed. From the 7th, that's from today till the 15th. It's not just in the Assembly, but also in the Legislative Council that we can expect some drama. Let's talk about the Assembly because as of now, we are receiving information, like you rightly said, the Love Jihad bill might not be taken. It'll just be the cow slaughter bill. It's not that Karnataka does not have a cow slaughter bill. It does have. But Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa wants to bring in the bill that he introduced way back in 2010 during his stint as the Chief Minister over there. It did not receive the assent of the governor. And then when Siddaramaiah became the chief minister, it went into cold storage. In fact, they want to bring that particular bill, which is very, very stringent. It actually bans all sort of cattle slaughter. That is one. Now, in the council, the BJP has been having trouble because before the previous elections, that is which happened about a month ago, the Congress had a majority in the council. But as of now, the BJP has a majority. So out of 75 members, the BJP has 31, the Congress 28, and the JDS 14. The BJP is looking at once more discussing the land reforms and also various other labor reforms and passing it this time, not just in the Assembly, but also at the Council.
Okay, we'll be tracking really what is the big outcome that comes from this Assembly session that starts today. Nolan, thank you for those details.